my name is Komal and today on the Myntra Beauty Edit, we're talking about winter skincare. If you find that your skin gets especially dry, tight and uncomfortable during the winter, then this is for you. Let's start with your daytime routine. The first thing you want to do is swap your regular cleanser or face wash out for something that's extremely hydrating and gentle on your skin, like Kaya Sensitive Face Cleanser. It's especially formulated for sensitive skin and is a great way to start your morning. Once you're done cleansing, it's time to move on to your toner. A toner is a great addition to any skincare routine, but it's especially important in the winter because it just adds an extra layer of moisture to your skin. Look for something that has hydrating properties like Body Shop's Seaweed Toner. This is important. Make sure that your toner has no alcohol in it because alcohol dries your skin out even further. Now it's time to seal the moisture from your toner in with a great moisturizer. I love this one by L'Oreal because in addition to helping reduce any dark spots or pigmentation you may have, it's also a really great hydrating moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Another great option is the Kaya Dramatic Renew Day Cream, which features SPF 40. Please remember that you still need to apply sunscreen even in the winter. Summer or winter, the sun is still the sun, and if you can see it, it can damage your skin. If your moisturizer doesn't have a sunscreen, then the next step is applying one. A great option is L'Oreal's UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence. This sunscreen is an absolute classic. It's famous because it's so light and so non-greasy that you won't even know it's on, but it's still effective because it features SPF 50. You don't want to forget about your lips. I always know that winter's around the corner when I can feel my lips starting to crack. Keep your lips well hydrated with a lip balm that also lets you skip the lipstick, like Maybelline's Baby Lips, which, like the name, will give you lips like a baby's. Another great option is this one from Lakme, which features SPF 15 and has a really lovely light tint. So we've taken really good care of the skin on our faces, but let's not forget our bodies. First things first, a good soap. Whether you're using an old-fashioned bar soap or a body wash, look for one that won't strip your skin of its moisture. I love this one by Kama because in addition to looking great and smelling delicious, it also leaves your skin so soft and supple. Shea butter is the star ingredient of this body wash by The Body Shop and is another great way to make sure that your skin stays soft and smooth all winter long. So there you go, everything you need for the softest, smoothest winter skin ever. It's nighttime. You've had a long day and so has your skin. The night is when the skin does most of its repair and healing, so it's really important that you take good care of your skin while you're sleeping. People think the most important step of any nighttime routine is the face cream, but it's not, it's cleansing. Even if you do nothing else for your face, you want to make sure that you're going to bed with clean skin, whether or not you wear makeup. If you want to get serious about your cleansing routine, start by removing the day's dirt, oil, grime and makeup with a gentle yet effective cleansing oil. I love this one from L'Occitane because in addition to removing every last trace of grime and makeup, it just feels so luxurious on your skin. It features shea butter, which is known for its moisturizing properties. Apply some to dry skin, massage it in for a few seconds, and then wash it off like you would a regular face wash. Once you're done with your cleansing oil, it's time to move on to step 2 of your nighttime skincare routine. Next, you want to use a nice gentle cleanser like Biotique's Bio Burberry Hydrating Cleanser. It's a really lovely creamy cleanser that smells so good. It always makes me feel like I'm ready for bed, and it's really gentle on your skin as well. The key to protecting your skin in the winter is to layer your skincare. So just like you layered your toner under your day cream in the morning, the nights are a great time to use a serum under your night cream. Serums are packed with concentrated hydration and anti-aging properties, and they also work faster and more effectively than regular moisturizers, which makes them a great addition to your nighttime routine. Lakme has a great one called the Argan Oil Radiance Serum, which really packs a punch when it comes to hydration and also gives you a fantastic glow. Next comes your night cream. When it comes to night creams, you can't do much better than L'Oreal's Revitalift. If you look this up online, you'll see that this product has rave reviews. People all over the world love it. The best thing about this cream, in addition to the fact that it's really hydrating, is that it also features retinol, which is one of the most powerful and most effective anti-wrinkle ingredients out there. That's a pretty extensive nighttime routine, but every once in a while when you feel like your skin needs a little extra pampering, treat yourself to a face mask. I love this one from Forest Essentials because it features actual rose petals and crushed lentils, and every time I use it, it makes my skin glow. If your skin is especially dry this winter, then bring out the big guns and slather it in a body oil. If you're worried about a body oil leaving your skin feeling all greasy and gross, then don't. Because this one by PureSense is what you call a dry oil, which means that while it moisturizes like a regular oil would, it doesn't sit on the top of the skin like traditional oils do. It also features macadamia oil, which is great for retaining moisture in the skin. Finally, finish off your winter skincare routine with a great body moisturizer. This one by Dove features coconut oil, which makes it a great option. And this one, the Fuji Green Tea Body Lotion by The Body Shop, is also incredibly moisturizing. But if your skin is the kind that stays dry no matter what you do come winter, then try L'Occitane's Ultra Rich Body Cream, which will turn even the driest, scaliest skin into soft, smooth, supple skin in minutes. So there you have it. Everything you need for the softest skin this winter.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.